Now, in the air quality index of the world's most polluted cities, Bishkek is top of the list. The capital of Kyrgyzstan has a population of around 1 million, and for many years, the winter months have seen it choked with smog as people use coal to heat their homes. Since coal is cheap, changing to a less polluting fuel won't be easy, especially now that the coronavirus pandemic is battering the country's economy. Emily Sherwin reports.
Coal is selling like hotcakes in the freezing cold. Winter temperatures in the city of Bishkek average at -6 degrees Celsius. Coal is an essential good because homes on the outskirts aren't connected to the city's central heating network.
People buy a lot of these bags, sometimes 20 at once. As you can see, there are private houses all around here, and they all heat with coal.
Bishkek made headlines several times in December for being the #1 most polluted city in international air quality ratings. But people here say the smog is a problem every year in the winter.
It's just the sky above Bishkek that's like this. When you leave the city, the sky is clear. I think this is because of the negligence of the government. No one is monitoring the situation, and the smog is a direct consequence of that. I think it's just fog. It's definitely because of the winter. Do you really think it's pollution?
Bishkek lies in a valley, and smog covers it like a lid. Kyrgyz authorities admit they don't know the exact source of the pollution. The country's prime minister recently said this mainly coal-powered heating plant could be behind up to 20% of the emissions. He ordered the government to look into switching to gas. For now, though, air quality sensors in the city show the air is hazardous to people's health. The concentration of cancerous particles is several times higher than the norm. Here in the center of Bishkek, you can sometimes even smell the smog. It smells burnt. And city authorities say that the air quality is so bad that people should actually be wearing masks like this one. But environmental activists feel authorities are all talk and no action. They're protesting against the city's latest planning document. They say new buildings are blocking the wind and locking the smog inside the city.
The plan is only in the interest of the construction lobby, the building companies, and big oligarchs. In other countries, they would have declared an emergency situation by now, but here they just pretend nothing's happening.
But for now, local environmental inspectors are stuck enforcing existing norms. Today, they're checking the quality of the coal used to heat the boiler at this local school. Even many government institutions are still heated with coal.
Regular people will keep heating with coal because it's the most cost-effective. We can't ban the use of coal in the winter. People have to live. They have to cook. Once everyone has access to a gas connection and to an affordable electricity supply, there simply won't be smog here anymore.
But Kyrgyzstan's gas provider raised prices this year, and the coronavirus has hit the country's cash-strapped economy hard. So for now, the move away from coal and from this layer of smog feels far off.